हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ग्रोमो रिटेल के चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। वेलकम एवरीवन टू ग्रोमो रिटेल। कैसे हैं आप सर?
एकदम बढ़िया सर।
सबसे पहले अपडेट देना चाहेंगे वेबसाइट की। कस्टमर्स रिक्वेस्ट करते रहे हैं कि प्रोडक्ट्स जो भी आप स्टोर में कवर करें प्लीज़ वेबसाइट पे पोस्ट करें, हम लोग ख़रीद नहीं पाते हैं। सबको पता है हमको क्या चैलेंजेस आते हैं प्रोडक्ट करने के लिए। मेजर चैलेंज ये है कि शिपिंग का, बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जिनके शिपिंग चार्ज बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं, इसीलिए हम लोग उसको शिप नहीं कर पाते। प्लस ब्रेकेज इन ट्रांजिट का टेंशन होता है, डैमेज इन ट्रांजिट का टेंशन होता है, इसीलिए शिप नहीं कर पाते। उसमें कस्टमर को ज़बरदस्ती की दिक्कत हो जाती है। बट कस्टमर्स को बताना चाह रहे हैं कि अभी मैक्सिमम प्रोडक्ट्स वेबसाइट पे लिस्ट हो रहे हैं। टॉयज़ आपके लिए लिस्ट किया है, हार्ड डिस्क लिस्ट करिए, इंटरनल हार्ड डिस्क, एक्सटर्नल हार्ड डिस्क, राउटर्स लिस्ट किए हैं। सबसे ज़्यादा क्रेजी रिस्पॉन्स राउटर्स का और टॉयज़ का आ रहा है। आप प्लीज़ वेबसाइट पे जाके चेक करें। आपको एक बार और बता दिया जाए, टेलीग्राम पे भी हमारा चैनल है। टेलीग्राम का जो लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको मिल सकता है, आप लिंक ज्वाइन करें। ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज़ आपको टेलीग्राम का चैनल प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड करना है और सिर्फ लिंक को क्लिक करके आप ऑटो ज्वाइन हो जाएंगे। आप वहाँ पे ज्वाइन करके डील देख सकते हैं और वेबसाइट से भी खरीद सकते हैं। हमारे वेबसाइट का URL है www.gromoretail.com। वेबसाइट रिलेटेड और भी न्यूज़ बहुत जल्द आएगी। तो जो कस्टमर्स मुंबई के नहीं है, महाराष्ट्र के नहीं है, उनके लिए गुड न्यूज़ है। रेगुलरली प्लीज़ वीडियो फॉलो करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि जो भी न्यूज़ वेबसाइट रिलेटेड आए आप उसको देख सकते हैं। बहुत सारे कस्टमर्स हैं हमारे नॉन हिंदी स्पीकिंग कस्टमर्स। इससे पहले हमने मराठी में वीडियो बनाया था। बहुत सारे कस्टमर्स मराठी महाराष्ट्रन्स हैं हमारे। इससे पहले हमने महाराष्ट्रन लैंग्वेज में एक वीडियो बनाया था मराठी में। हिंदी में तो हम वीडियो बनाते हैं क्योंकि हिंदी हमारी लोकल लैंग्वेज है, राष्ट्रभाषा है। पर बहुत सारे ऐसे भी कस्टमर्स हैं जो कहते हैं कि हमको हिंदी नहीं समझ में आती, मराठी नहीं समझ में आती, तो प्लीज़ इंग्लिश में एक वीडियो बनाइए। शायद ये कस्टमर्स ऐसी जगह के हैं जहाँ पर इंग्लिश लोकल लैंग्वेज नहीं है। तो इस बार एक कोशिश करेंगे कि इंग्लिश में हम लोग वीडियो बनाएं ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग हमारे बारे में जान सकें। सो वेलकम टू ग्रोमो। ग्रोमो इज़ अ रिटेल स्टोर इन गोरेगांव। वी आर बेस्ड इन गोरेगांव वेस्ट इन मुंबई. We deal in multiple categories like smart band, smart watch, headphone, over the head earphone, you name it, lifestyle category, electronic category. We deal in toolkits, home appliances, kitchen appliances. We also have a beautiful spread of toys over here. We have wonderful spread of footwear. In the same lane we have a store named Ames Enterprises where you can get 100% original shoes like Nike, Adidas, Puma, Reebok at lowest price in India. It's in the same lane Goregaon West. Here we also deal in auto accessories like helmet, pressure washer, bike accessories, auto accessories. We have Bluetooth speakers, we have home theaters, we have wristwatches, we have sunglasses, and a lot many categories. You can come here and you can enjoy shopping at huge discount. Needless to say, all these products are 100% original, comes with manufacturer warranty, so you are pretty safe. We'll start with toys, the most hot selling category these days. It's ideal for gifting purpose. Look at this product. We are talking about Lego product right now. You all know that Lego is a product where you hardly get any discount. Here you're getting almost 50% off. 20,000 rupees is the MRP. Here you can get it for only 10,999. That's an amazing deal. Look at one more product like Hot Wheels. 2,500 rupees is the MRP. Monster product is kept here. 1,499 rupees. Amazing deal. Another puzzle is kept over here. You can claim it for just 499 rupees. A beautiful bike, a small miniature bike is kept over here. 399 rupees. Superb deal. Mickey Mouse soft toy is kept over here. It's looking very pretty, very classy. 399 rupees. You can see Barbie doll. You all know kids are crazy for this. 350 rupees. Superb deal. You can get this at minimum 40 to 50% off. Look at the small toy, spider. Very pretty spider. 1,499 is the MRP. You can get it for just 699. Another product is kept over here, yellow duck. 1,200 rupees is the MRP at Gromo. You can get it for only 449 rupees. Super product. We are talking about remote control car. 2,999 is the MRP at Gromo. You can get it for just 1,100 rupees. Another product is kept over here, ideal for craft purposes. Kids are crazy behind this product. 750 rupees is the MRP. You can get it for only 299. Another color-based product is kept over here. Superb. A lot of things are there in one packet. 149 is the MRP, but here you can get it for only 99 rupees.
This one also same for 99
All
rupees.
right, that is great. We are talking about Flair brand. 222 rupees is the MRP. You can claim it for only 99 rupees. You just look at the spread, just look at the variety, just look at the budget. They have product in all the budgets so that all the customers can be happy with this. Another product is kept over here. 2,200 200 rupees is the MRP. This is another remote control car. You can get it for only 699 rupees. We all know how crazy kids are these days behind Nerf gun. Here it is. You can save a lot of money on this. The MRP is 5,000 rupees. Gromo is selling it for only 1,999. Superb deal. Another Nerf product, very pretty, yellow and orange color. MRP is about 2,300 rupees, but at Gromo you can buy it for only 1,600 rupees. Wow. One after the other, the spread is kept and it is beautifully presented. Just look at the MRP. MRP is approximately 7,000 rupees. You can get it for only 3,799. Wow. Superb display. This is amazing. Look at this. 3,000 rupees is the MRP Nerf gun and you can get it for only 17,000 rupees. Here is a musical product of Fisher Price, brand new seal pack straight out of the box. Ideal for gifting purpose. MRP is approximately 1,500 rupees. You can claim it for only 800 rupees. Hot Wheels. Super product, crazy demand.
150 rupees.
150 rupees, amazing deal. They also have a
Power
superb
Ranger
collection of Marvel. Look at this Power Ranger. You can claim it for only 999 rupees. A lot more action figures are also kept. You can see Superman over here. They have a lot of other action figures also at heavily discounted price. Let's look at this. They have another superb spread of Hot Wheels. You can claim it at minimum 30 to 40% off. Just look at the collection in Nerf gun. We have hardly covered 4 to 5 Nerf gun. They have at least 8 to 10 more models. Lego is everybody's favorite. We all know that you hardly get any discount on Lego. Just look at this. You can claim these products at minimum 30 to 40% off. And that's not all. There are many more categories kept over here. Wow. For a second we thought that finally one category is over, but that's not the case. You can look at the wonderful spread that these guys have over here. We have bicycles, we have tricycles, we have electric bike. Let's start with this. Look at this superb cycle kept over here for kids. You can claim it for only 1,200 rupees. The MRP is minimum 2,500 rupees. This car you can claim, this cycle you can claim for only 1,200 rupees. Again, this particular product you can get for only 1,200 rupees. Another super product is kept over here. 1,200 rupees. Amazing deal. Look at this car. Very pretty. This is non-electric by the way, but kids will enjoy a lot. This is full along with support. You can get it for only 1,800 rupees. I assure you that the MRP of this product is minimum 3,000 rupees in the market. Now look at this product. We are talking about Miss and Chief or Olive.
Little Olive. Miss and Chief, sir.
Miss and Chief brand, amazing. This is the product which is the most hottest selling over here. The MRP is approximately 10,000 rupees. At Gromo you can get it for only 4,499. That's right, 4,500 rupees. You can get this beautiful bike. Another electric bike is kept over here. They have blue color in it. They also have red. MRP is approximately 8,500 rupees, but you can get it for only 3,000 rupees. Look at this beautiful cycle. Look at the width of the tires over here. The MRP is approximately 3,500 rupees. Special promotional offer is going on. You can get it for only 1,499. Another beautiful spread is kept over here in electric bike. Look at this. Red and blue colors are kept. Approximate MRP is 8,500 rupees. Special promotional offer is going on for Sunday.
4,000.
You can get it for only 4,000 rupees. That's not all. Look at this beautiful cycle. It comes along with a pull along support. MRP is approximately 4,000 rupees. At Gromo you can get it for only 2,000 rupees. This is every parent's favorite, especially those who have infants, toddlers in the house. Look at this. It's so beautiful pram. It comes with a lot of accessories. You have organizer at the back. You have support at the top. Very beautifully built. MRP is approximately 10,000 rupees. But at Gromo, you can get it for only 3,500 rupees. Amazing deal. Now from toys we are moving to sports. it's a great connection. After toys we have sports over here. Another category which kids will enjoy. Let's start with this. Now I can see badminton racket kept over here. The brand is Leaning. Let's see what is
the MRP
it.
is around to 1,500 rupees, sir, and this is for flat sale for 300 rupees.
1,500 rupees is the MRP at Gromo. You can get it for only 299 rupees. They also have cricket batting pads over here at minimum 70% off. I can assure you. Model number is R501. We are talking about Adrenix badminton racket.
This is also the same for 300 rupees.
1,500 rupees MRP. You can get it for only 300 rupees. This is unbelievable deal.
We also have shuttlecocks over there.
We also have
MRP
shuttlecock.
around 300 rupees, and you will get for 80 rupees only.
300 rupees is the MRP. Adrenix shuttlecock, feather shuttlecock. We are talking about a set of 3 pieces.
Set of 3 pieces.
Set of 3 pieces you can get for only 79 rupees. It is actually an amazing deal. They also have branded batting gloves. We are talking about SG and SS brand at minimum 70% off. They also have Nivea roller skates at minimum 60 to 75% off. That is actually an amazing deal. Moving to another category in sports, we have this beautiful yoga mat capped over here. MRP is approximately 2,100 rupees, but at Gromo you can get it for only 699 rupees. This is actually a superb deal. They also have Coleman tent. whenever you travel, you go for tracking, you can actually use it. Beautiful product.
MRP is around, sir, 12,500. The special offer price for Gromo you will get for Sunday deals only 5,000 rupees.
5,000 rupees, 12,000 rupees is the MRP, but at Gromo you can claim it for only 4,999. That is actually an amazing deal, and that's not all. Many other products in sports category are kept, but unfortunately we cannot display all the products because it will be too lengthy of a time. We have now moved to a category called as home decor, home furnishing. It's women's department. They take care of they are very particular about the choices that they make in their bedroom. We have beautiful curtains over here. We have bed sheets. We have quilt. We have comforters. We even have towels at great price, of course. Let's start with a few crazy deals. Okay, here we have
double bed sheets.
Okay, double bed sheet.
This is around for 3,000 is the MRP, and you will get for around 300 rupees.
3,000 rupees is the MRP, friends, viewers, subscribers, customers at Gromo. You can get for only 299 rupees. We are talking about 90% off. That is actually amazing.
Bed sheet also available for single beds. This is only for 150 rupees.
150 rupees single bed sheet. What about this quilt comforter, whatever it is?
Yes, this is a comforter, sir.
Okay.
This is for 800 rupees.
800 rupees. I think I can safely assume that the MRP is 2,999. So we are talking about close to 75% off. Just look at the variety. Look at the collection. This is a baby kit. You wrap baby inside it. Yeah, baby carry nest. MRP is 999. You can get it for only 499 rupees. I can see some more beautiful quilt and comforters over here. Now look at this. We are talking about signature brand. MRP is approximately 2,500 rupees. At Gromo you can get it for only 800 rupees. We are talking about 67% off. Look at this, another crazy deal. We're talking about Portico brand. MRP is approximately 3,000 rupees, but at Gromo you can get this comforter for only 1,200 rupees. Another comforter is kept over here. You can get for only 1,200 rupees. Just look at the collection, just look at the design, just look at the variety, just look at the model. So many varieties are kept over here. I can also see a beautiful curtain over here. That's not all. They actually have an amazing spread of comforters. Now here we are talking about a full size comforter along with a double bed sheet, along with 2 pillow covers. MRP is 5,699. At Gromo you can get it for only 1,999. Amazing. We have now moved to leather and travel accessories. They have some beautiful products over here. They are very, very hot selling. Now let's look at this pouch. It's very interesting. Multi-purpose, ideal for traveling purposes, ideal for toiletries when you travel. Amazing utility product. You can get it for only 49 rupees. Look at this Integrity sling bag. Beautiful. They have around 2 to 3 colors in it. Minimum MRP would be 600 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 299 rupees. Now the best part about this deal is that the next deal is, now this is Johnny Walker, a plain leather laptop bag, but you can actually carry a lot of other things too in it, especially files, etc. You can get it for only 499 rupees. Look at this crazy deal. Skechers, amazing for traveling purposes. It's a multi-purpose multi-utility bag. You can carry it in the form of a backpack. You can carry it in the form of a duffel bag. It's a beautiful product. We are talking about Skechers brand. MRP is 2,000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 599 rupees. We'll now move to kids clothes. We all know how important this category is. Parents make sure that their kids are dressed very well, and of course they look at the economics as well. It should be in budget. Now here we are talking about Rough Kids brand. The MRP range is approximately 500 rupees to 2,500 rupees. Here you can get shirts and t-shirts, basically uppers, for only 299 rupees and lowers for only 399 rupees. Amazing part is we also have Disney. Now in Disney we have a lot of Marvel collections, Spider-Man, etc. It's beautiful. This is one of the patterns in it. You can get it for flat 149 rupees. That's correct, you heard it right. The t-shirt that you saw last, you can get it for only 149 rupees. In Gromo, you can also get diapers at amazing discount. You can see all the varieties kept over here. All sizes are kept over here. We're talking about Mammy Poco pants, diaper, Pampers, all the state-of-the-art brands, Huggies, Himalaya, etc. You can get it for minimum 30 to 40% off. Luggage bag had an amazing spread just 2 weeks back. Now it's mostly sold, but would love to cover that. Here we have American Tourister, Chameleon by American Tourister, VIP, Aristocrat, Skybag, Metronaut, Pulse, Diesel, Tommy Hilfiger. These bags were sold for as low as 20% of the market value, that is 80% off. I'll cover a few deals for you. Look at this beautiful Chameleon by American Tourister soft hard case cabin luggage bag. MRP is approximately
6,700
rupees. At Gromo you can claim it for only 1,200 rupees. That is actually a phenomenal deal. Now let's look at this bag. It's so beautiful. Metronaut brand. It's hard case cabin size luggage. MRP is approximately 5,000 rupees. You can get it at Gromo for only 999 rupees. This is another crazy deal. Look at this. We are talking about Aristocrat brand. MRP is 3,550. Offer price is approximately 1,600 rupees. Another super bag, American Tourister soft case cabin luggage. MRP is 7,800 rupees. At Gromo you can claim for only 1,600 rupees. Moving on to the next category in lifestyle, we have some amazing deals going on Doctor Sleepers. It's a very interesting product. The sole is so soft, it's so comfortable. Just look at this. They have at least 4 to 5 colors in it. You can actually check here and then try it because it is actually super for your walking and all. The brand is Doctor. MRP is minimum 599 rupees. At Gromo you just have to pay 149 rupees. That's correct, you heard it right, 75% off. Look at these beautiful collection of kids shoes. MRP range is approximately 400 rupees to 1,500 rupees, but here you can just pick it up for 199 rupees. Now let's move on to the next category. I'm sure all the women girls out there would love to hear about this. Just look at the beautiful collection. Here we are talking about Metro, Bata, Mochi, Alan Solly, Carlton London, Mischief, a lot of other brands. MRP range is approximately 800 rupees to 1,500, 3,500 rupees, but here you can get it for only 399. The best part is if you pick up 3 instead of 1,200 rupees, you only have to pay 999. That's correct. In 999 rupees you can actually pick up 3 sandals or shoes. Now we are moving to the next category, men footwear. Crazy collection. We can see Provoke, we can see Alan Solly, US Polo, Ducati. Superb collection, superb spread. Just look at the variety. A lot of brands and a lot of collection is kept over here. Very superb. You get one shoe for 599 rupees, and when you buy 3 instead of 1,800 rupees at Gromo, you only have to pay 1,499. That's correct. In 1,500 rupees you can pick up 3 shoes of your choice. We have another beautiful category over here. Just look at the way they have displayed the product. It's looking amazing. Anyone would be tempted to come and buy. We'll start with toolkit, home improvement category, and then we will move on to the kitchen, the favorite category of all women, the kitchen appliance category. Let's look at this Bosch drill. Super product, crazy utility. MRP is 2,900 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 1,500 rupees. You can check the model details over here. Okay.
This is a hot gun.
Hot air gun. Now let's look at this beautiful Hammer drill. Black & Decker is the brand. Crazy demand of this particular brand in the market. 4,300 rupees is the MRP. At Gromo you can claim for only 1,300 rupees. Another cordless drill machine is kept over here. The brand is Black & Decker. MRP is close to 4,000 rupees. 5,495. At Gromo you can get for only 1,800 rupees. This is actually a steal. Let's look at another set. This is Bosch, set of 50. You can get it for only 899 rupees. I can see a marble cutter over here. The brand is Bosch. You can look at the model details, GDC 120. MRP is 5,000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 2,500 rupees. Another interesting product. This is called cordless screwdriver. MRP is 2,000 rupees. We are talking about Black & Decker brand. You can claim for only 1,100 rupees. It's brand new, seal pack, straight out of the box. Look at this product. This is Visco. 280 rupees. The MRP is 700 rupees, brand new. This is another very hot selling product in the market, rotary hammer, Foster brand. MRP is close to 5,000 rupees. You can get for only
around 7,000 rupees.
7,000 rupees is the MRP. Correction, you can get it for only 2,300 rupees. Another Bosch kit you can get for only 1,600 rupees. MRP is 2,600 rupees. This is another product, Hammer drill, Black & Decker. 3,900 is the MRP. At Gromo you can claim for only 1,500 rupees. Just open this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is another interesting product. This is a full kit. It comes with drill machine, it comes with leveler, hammer, plier, wrench, cutter, measuring tape, you name it. It is all included. Ideal for each and every house for regular chores. MRP is approximately 6,000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 2,500 rupees, and the model number is GSB 500 RE. Crazy spread, unbelievable deal. Build skill drill machine as low as 699. That's correct, you heard it right. You can actually get a drill machine for 699 rupees only at Gromo. This is angle grinder. You can claim for 999 rupees. This is a paint spray, Build Skill Pro. MRP is 5,499. At Gromo you can get for only 1,750 rupees. Spike Guard, another superb utility product. We all need it at our workstation, home, MRP. Everywhere. 299 rupees. MRP is 700 rupees. That is actually a steal. Look at this deal. four socket or 5 socket support. 2000 rupees is the MRP. We're talking about Philips brand, mind you. Here you can get for only 700 rupees. Another crazy deal, 280 rupees for this beautiful spike guard of Siska. Now this is the category which every woman would love to hear about. We have kept pressure cooker over here. I think we have all capacity starting 2 liters, 3 liters, 5 liters, etc. Our friend will brief us about some crazy deals over
Yes,
here.
sir. This is we are talking about Butterfly brand.
Butterfly brand.
With induction based and non-induction, we both two categories are available right
Okay,
now.
okay.
You will get for 700 rupees. This is a bucket deal only for Sunday only, sir.
So capacity of this pressure cooker is
5 liters, sir.
5 liters. We're talking about Butterfly induction base,
Induction base.
700 rupees. It's
700.
actually a steal crazy deal. What about this Miss Mary pressure
Miss
cooker?
Mary pressure cooker. This is for around 2300 is the MRP.
Okay.
And we are giving for special offer price 800 rupees.
2300 rupees is the MRP. 5 liter capacity. Miss Mary brand you can get for only 800 rupees. Look at this beautiful Hawken pressure cooker. We are talking about stainless steel.
Yeah, this is a stainless steel, sir.
Okay, the
The MRP
shines.
is around 3600 rupees.
Okay.
And we are giving for 2000 rupees.
3600 rupees is the MRP. Friends, viewers, customers, sisters, 2000 rupees is the offer. Unfortunately, we cannot cover all the models over here, but you have got the hint that we are selling products for at least 60 to 70% off. That's not all. A lot of other products are kept over here, like casserole, dinner set. We have this beautiful deal going on Cookwell Bullet. It's ideal for smoothies and shakes. Super product, very well built, comes with 1 year manufacturer warranty, seal pack, 3-jar product. MRP is 4000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 1999, and 5-jar product MRP is 5000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 2199 rupees.
We also have a mixer grinder, sir.
Okay, 1500 watts mixer grinder.
This is for 750 watts.
750 watts, okay.
5000 is the MRP and we are giving for 3500 rupees.
750 watts mixer grinder we're talking about is 3-jar.
4 jars, sir.
4-jar mixer, 750 watts. MRP is how much?
MRP is 5000 and we are giving for 3500.
MRP is 5000 rupees. Brand new seal pack at Gromo.
1 year manufacturer warranty.
At Gromo you can get for only 3500 rupees. Another superb utility product. Every house needs it all. Kitchen, bedroom, hall, you name it. We are talking about Orient fan. MRP is 3500 rupees. At Gromo you can claim for only 2000 rupees. This is another budget fan kept over here. We are talking about the Usha brand. 1200 rupees. Crazy deal. Crompton Super Bridge Deco. This is one of the most hottest selling fans in the market because it's in budget. Crompton brand you can get for only 1200 rupees. Here we are talking about Havells brand. MRP is close to 3000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 1600 rupees. Another superb pattern is kept over here. We are talking about Orient brand. Look at the design, look at the build quality. It's superb. MRP is close to 3800 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 2400 rupees. We have now moved to another category called computer accessories. We have UPS over here. The brand is Zebronics. 2500 rupees is the MRP. Backup UPS. At Gromo you can claim for only 1600 rupees. Another product is kept over here. It's Schneider brand APC. MRP is 3700 rupees. At Gromo you can get it for only 2100 rupees. Needless to say, once again, all these products will come with manufacturer warranty and bill. Look at this beautiful printer kept over here. Model, you can check the model details over here. It's Pixma Efficient E410. MRP is 5300 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 3000 rupees. Another very hot selling model is kept over here. HP printer, keep it simple. MRP is close to 7200 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 5000 rupees. One of the most hottest selling printer is kept over here. The brand is Brother. MRP is 16000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 10500 rupees. Look at this product. Basic printer, HP DeskJet 2331. 3900 is the MRP. At Gromo you can claim for only 2600 rupees. Another superb hot selling model, Xerox Work Center 3025. MRP is close to 22,400 rupees. At Gromo you can claim for only 14,000 rupees. This is another hot selling product, Canon, very efficient when it comes to ink. MRP is approximately 12,000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 8,000 rupees. We were speaking about auto accessories, car accessories earlier. We have pressure washer, Karcher. Karcher is one of the best brands when it comes to pressure washer. We are talking about K2 horizontal. MRP is 10,000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 4,500 rupees. That's actually a crazy deal. When we speak about auto accessories, car accessories, we have a beautiful spread of touch panel stereo kept over here. We're talking about Sony, JVC, Blaupunk. You can get these products at minimum 60 to 70% off on MRP. And needless to say, this comes with manufacturer warranty and bill. We have now moved to the flagship category. When I say flagship category, this is the category that they started dealing in: electronics, earphone, headphone, smartband, smartwatch. Let's start with sunglasses. Some superb deal has come up in sunglasses. We are talking about Fast Track, ID, Tommy Hilfiger, Ray-Ban, Fossil, etc. Fast Track, the MRP range is approximately 800 rupees to 1500 rupees. Here you can get for flat 399 rupees. ID sunglasses, MRP range is 1500 to 3500 rupees. You can get for flat 499 rupees. That is amazing deal. 100% original Ray-Ban Wayfarers, where the MRP is approximately 9,000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 2,999, and 100% original Aviators Ray-Ban, where MRP is 7,000 to 8,000 rupees. You can claim for only 2,499 rupees. That is actually a great deal. Just look at the collection of wristwatch. It is superb. You name the brand, almost they have it. Here you're talking about Timex, Titan, Casio, Edifice. G-Shock is currently out of stock. A lot of other brands are kept over here, like Fossil, US Polo, etc. We'll start with some model. Let's look at this watch. It's beautiful. Casio and Ticer. We are talking about 2,500 rupees is the MRP. At Gromo you can get for only 1,500 rupees. This is another crazy model. Just look at the pattern, the design. Very good, sporty collection. 3,300 rupees is the MRP. You can get for only 1,800 rupees. Another beautiful watch. Just look at the color of the dial. It's blue. 4,000 rupees is the MRP. You can get for only 2,000 rupees. Another superb watch, Titan. Very simple but elegant. 2,500 rupees the MRP. At Gromo you can get for only 1,500 rupees. Another superb pattern is kept over here, Titan brand. 2,900 rupees is the MRP. At Gromo you can get for only 1,500 rupees. Look at this beautiful watch. We are talking about Casio Edifice, where the market rate, where you hardly get 10% discount in the market. 12,000 rupees is the MRP. At Gromo you can get for only 2,500 rupees. We are talking about 75 to 80% off. Look at this beautiful watch of Guess. MRP is 11,900 rupees. Gromo special promotional offer only 6,000 rupees. Brand new, straight out of the box, ideal for gifting purpose. Superb collection. This is another beautiful model kept over here, golden. 13,800 rupees is the MRP. At Gromo you can get for only 5,500 rupees. Another beautiful watch in Guess, brand new, ideal for gifting purpose. 14,500 is the MRP. At Gromo you can get for only 7,240 rupees. Here we are talking about Fossil automatic watch. Look at this watch. It's super brand new. 18,500 is the MRP. At Gromo you can get for only 11,000 rupees. Another beautiful watch of Guess. Look at the design, look at the color. MRP is 11,400 rupees. Here you can get for only 4,000 rupees. A superb watch is kept over here. We are talking about the Fossil brand, one of the best brands. MRP is approximately 10,000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 5,000 rupees. Here you're talking about Fossil hybrid watch. Look at the beautiful design, superbly built. 14,000 rupees is the MRP. Here you can get for only 8,500 rupees. Now we are now moving to smartband, smartwatch. Redmi smartband, super product. 2,100 is the MRP. At Gromo you can get for only 999 rupees. Goki, state of the art, latest product in the market. 6,000 rupees is the MRP. Comes with 3 months free coaching. You can get for only 3,500 rupees. Samsung Galaxy Watch 46mm LTE version, MRP is 35,000 rupees. You can get for only 14,000 rupees. We also have Oppo smartwatch 46mm rose gold color. 25,000 rupees is the MRP. At Gromo you can get for only 14,000 rupees. You also have Oppo OnePlus watch. Crazy demand. MRP is approximately 17,000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only and only 13,000 rupees. iPad Wi-Fi 6th generation, 32 GB Wi-Fi, sparingly used, beautiful condition. 28,000 rupees is the MRP. At Gromo you can get for only 18,000 rupees. Superb deal. Apple Watch 44mm cellular, GPS plus cellular, space gray. MRP is approximately 36,000 rupees. You can claim warranty till July 2022. MRP is approximately 37,000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 28,000 rupees. We are talking about Series 6 now, 40mm GPS cellular blue dial. MRP is close to 50,000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 32,000 rupees. We are talking about basic wired earphone right now. Redmi earphone, MRP is 600 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 349 rupees. One of the most hot selling product is here. Realme earphone, comes with mic, super build quality, super sound quality. MRP is 800 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 399 rupees. Bucket deal is going on right now on this product. When I say bucket deal, I talk about crazy discount on discount. T160 is the model. MRP is 1,300 rupees. At Gromo special price is going on. You can claim for only 449 rupees. We have now moved to Bluetooth neckband. Philips Bluetooth neckband model is kept over here. MRP is 3,800 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 1,200 rupees. JBL Tune 205 BT, super Bluetooth neckband product, flagship product of JBL. 3,000 rupees is the MRP. At Gromo you can purchase for only 999 rupees. Another superb hot selling product, super build quality, JBL Endurance Run BT. MRP is 3,200 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 1,500 rupees. Realme Buds Wireless Pro, latest in the market. 6,000 rupees is the MRP. You can get for only 2,500 rupees. Realme Buds Wireless, crazy price drop. 2,000 rupees is the MRP. At Gromo you can get for only 1,200 rupees. One of the most hot selling product of Oppo M31, MRP is 3,000 rupees Bluetooth neckband at Gromo you can claim for only 1,600 rupees. Crazy price drop on Sony C200 and C400. C200 you can now claim for 999 rupees. That's correct, you heard it right. Sony Bluetooth neckband for 999 and C400 you can get for only 1,500 rupees. MI neckband, again Bluetooth neckband, 2,500 is the MRP. At Gromo you can claim for only 1,400 rupees. We have now moved on to truly wireless product. Oppo Enco W11, super product in budget. One of the lowest when it comes to truly wireless. MRP is 4,000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 1,500 rupees. Crazy price drop in JBL Tune 120. Truly wireless, we are talking about JBL brand. 8,000 is the MRP. At Gromo you can get for only 3,000 rupees. Jabra Elite Active 75T. MRP is 17,000 rupees. Friends, customers, subscribers. At Gromo you can get for only 9,000 rupees, 8,999. Jabra Elite 65T MRP is 15,500 rupees. At Gromo you can claim for only 2,800 rupees. We have bucket deal in even Bose brand. 19,000 rupees is the MRP. Bose Soundsport Free is the model number. You can get for only 9,000 rupees. Sony XB700 state of the art product, superb build quality, superb color. 12,000 rupees is the MRP. Truly wireless you can claim for only 4,300 rupees. This is one of the flagship product, top of the line product of Sony. WF1000 XM3 MRP is 20,000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 9,000 rupees. We have now moved on to Bluetooth neckband, superb, crazy demand. Sony XB700 Bluetooth neckband, 10,000 rupees is the MRP. At Gromo you have to pay only 5,000 rupees. It comes with manufacturer warranty and bill. Top of the line product of Sony 1000 XM3 MRP is close to 30,000 rupees. You can get for only 11,000 rupees. Bose noise cancelling product QC700 is the model number. MRP is 35,000 rupees. Here you can get seal pack for 26,000 rupees and open box for only 22,999. We also have some crazy deal going on pen drive. SanDisk 128 GB pen drive will cost you only 999 rupees, whereas the MRP is 1,500 rupees. 64 GB MRP is close to 1,000 rupees. You can get for only 549 rupees. We have now moved on to keyboard, mouse, etc. Just look at this beautiful spread. The spread is not ending at all. We'll try to cover maximum products for you. Look at this beautiful kit. This is a keyboard plus mouse.
Yes, sir. This is a keyboard plus
mouse. We are talking about Lenovo brand. 1894 is the MRP. Here you can get for only 899 rupees. Look at this beautiful product. This is a gaming keyboard. 5,000 rupees is the MRP. Logitech brand we are talking about. You can get for only 2,500 rupees. Another super product. Look at this. This is Lenovo keyboard plus mouse combo. MRP is 3,600 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 1,100 rupees. You can never get 60-70% off on computer accessories anywhere. Another deal. Lenovo keyboard plus mouse. 1,900 rupees is the MRP. At Gromo you can claim for only 549 rupees. Just look at the collection, so many variety. Now we have moved on to router. This is a crazy product, crazy demand. MI router 4C, 4 antenna support, beautiful build. 1,200 rupees is the MRP. You can get for only 649 rupees. This is one of the most hot selling model. We have now moved on to one of the most hottest selling router. We are talking about the D-Link brand. Model number is DIR819. Crazy demand. You can get it for only 849 rupees, whereas the market rate is minimum 1,400 rupees. Another super model of TP-Link. It comes with 4 antenna support. MRP is 2,700 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 1,400 rupees. It's called Archer A5. Another super model WR840N. MRP is 1,600 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 800 rupees. Another super model TP-Link. We're talking about 841N. MRP is close to 1,500 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 899 rupees. Just look at the model. Just look at the collection. We're talking about a super 4 antenna support router. We're talking about TP-Link brand Archer AX20. MRP is close to 11,000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 5,000 rupees. We also have Wi-Fi range extender. MRP is 6,500 rupees. At Gromo you can claim for only 1,750 rupees. We also have some stationery. Crazy deal is going on for kids books. This is a lining book set of 12. Set of 12. MRP is close to 180 rupees. At Gromo you can claim for only 150 rupees. This is a beautiful spread of party speaker, home theater, soundbar plus woofers. Amazing deal. Just look at this product. We are talking about JBL Party Box 100. MRP is 1 lakh rupees. At Gromo you can buy for only 69,999. 100% original, authentic. Comes with manufacturer warranty and bill. Bucket deal is going on in this particular product. It's 4.1 Panasonic brand. Model number is HT460GWK. MRP is 9,000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for 4,000 rupees. Trust me, it has beautiful sound quality and super build quality. Bucket deal is going on again on this product. It's called as Creative Stage. It comes with woofer and soundbar. MRP is close to 15,000 rupees. At Gromo you can get for only 3,999. We also have a bucket deal going on Thompson. Again, Bluetooth soundbar plus woofer. MRP is 13,000 rupees. At Gromo you can claim for only 3,000 rupees. Another beautiful product we are talking about JBL 104BT. comes in both the colors, black and gray, ideal for monitor purposes. It is twin speaker. You can get two speakers in the kit. 27,000 rupees is the MRP at Gromo. You can get for only 6,999. MI smart speaker comes with Google Assistance, crazy build quality, superb sound quality. 6,000 rupees is the MRP at Gromo. You can get for only 2,800 rupees. Like I said earlier, we cannot cover all the products because it will be too long for you. Thank you so much for being there till the end. If you think that this video has helped you even a little bit, please like, share and subscribe so that maximum people can take advantage of it. Would like to cover the timing once. Monday is work off, weekly off. Rest of the days Tuesday to Sunday. The timing is 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Thank you very much. Love you all.